Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can apply for a loan with GoTyme. So this is a quick guide, shows you how to apply for a personal loan directly through the application. So let's start. So first is you have to go to the product section. So tap the menu tab labeled products or grow at the bottom of the application to see your options. So from there, you have to choose loan type. So find and select personal loans or the specific credit product that you qualify for. And next is to check your eligibility. So the application will display your pre-qualified amount and the basic requirements. So first, just have to tap on the apply now from there, and then input the amount and the term. So use the slider or input field to set the loan amount and the repayment term, like for example, 6, 12, or 24 months. So it depends on you. And then make sure to review the repayment schedule. So carefully examine the monthly installment and the total interest that you will be paying back to make sure everything will be settled. And next is to confirm the details and the documents. So verify your personal and income details. So the application may require for you to upload or confirm a proof of income and documents and stuff like that. So you just have to make sure to prepare all those to make sure that you get qualified. And next is to agree and submit. So you have to read and agree to the terms and conditions. So you have to tap on submit application to finalize the request. And next is the application under review. So the GoTyme Bank will notify you via the application or SMS regarding the approval status. And next steps will be typically within 24 to 48 hours. You just have to wait for it. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!